If you are planning to buy a new iPhone or considering a used one, you definitely want to stick around for this video. Today I'm going to guide you through some crucial checks you need to make before making that purchase. Trust me, these tips can save you from being scammed and ensure you get the best device for your money. Buying an iPhone, especially a used one, can be a bit daunting. You want to make sure you are not only getting a good deal but also a device that's in great condition. So in today's video I'm going to show you an important app that you should download to make important checks before buying a used device. This app is ScanDeviceInfo. This app will easily check the essential details of your iOS and other devices, designed for convenience and accuracy. The app provides quick access to carrier information, Find My iPhone, Mac status, blacklist checks, and more. It's perfect for personal use or professionals who are dealing with mobile devices. It becomes very important to check the details of the devices before buying a device from a third-party store, as you may get scammed. That's why this app was created. With this amazing app, you can verify device information such as iOS carrier info check. This allows you to quickly find the carrier associated with any device. iPhone blacklist check, check Find My iPhone status, Find My Mac check, Samsung carrier check, and many more. Okay, this is the app and this is all the options inside this app. I'm gonna quickly explain all these options. So the first thing we have here is basic info checker. You can quickly check any device info. Just type the serial number or IMEI number here and then hit check. It will give you some basic info about your device like this. So this is a quick check. You will get some info. In history here you can see the checked devices. You can save this info or check it later. Every check will be saved in history. Now I'm gonna show you the new and the best service for this app, which is iOS Legit Checker. Why this one is very important? Because with this you can check all iOS device information such as Find My iPhone, MDM, SIM Lock, and Blacklisted Status, and more. So this is the only one you need to do, as it gives you all the checks in one service. So let's try this check with my iPhone. I will go to Settings, General, About, scroll all the way down to IMEI. Okay, I will copy my device IMEI. Now let's back to the app. Okay, here paste the IMEI number. Make sure to type the IMEI number without spaces between the numbers. It should look like this. Once you type the IMEI number, go ahead and press submit. Wait a few seconds and boom, as you see, all checks has passed. This means the device is good and safe to buy. As you can see, this service checked Find My iPhone status, iCloud status, MDM Lock status, SIM Lock, and Blacklist status. All these checks has passed. Here below you can see the details about the checked device. You can see more details here, as you see, like serial number, replaced device or not, refurbished device or not, locked to carrier or not, and more details. If you want, you can save all these details. Just press print. Here press the share button. Now save it anywhere you want. I will save it to Files app. And this is the iOS Legit Checker service. It's all in one service. This app not only lets you check iOS devices details, but it also allows you to check other devices details like Samsung, Xiaomi, and more. In SDI option here, you can find more checks such as iOS checkers, macOS checkers, Samsung checkers, Xiaomi checkers, and more. With iOS carrier check, you can check initial carrier and lock status, locked or unlocked SIM lock status for all iPhones. With Find My iPhone checker option, you can check iCloud status. This service can check if Find My iPhone is on or off and provide you with the iCloud status of the device. With iOS MDM Lock, you can quickly learn if your device has an enabled MDM Lock or not. With Blacklist Checker, you can check whether the phone is reported to the operator as blacklisted or not. So guys, this is ScanDeviceInfo app. This app makes it really easy to check check any device info before buying it. It also can provide all the necessary details about your device so you don't get scammed. This app will easily check the essential details of your device, provides quick access to carrier information, find my iPhone status, blacklist checks, and more. Why you need to use ScanDeviceInfo? First, it's 100% accuracy, fast and reliable results, easy to use interface for seamless navigation, and it's all in one app. Go ahead and give it a try. It's free to download. The download link is in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.